What's up, guys? So on today's episode of What's in John's Driveway, we're going to be getting into this 84 J-10 I've been driving for about a week and a half. It is a ball and turns more heads than anything I've ever driven ever. I drive a lot of cool stuff. I'm lucky enough to have a demo at work. And this particular car, everyone seems to agree, is just a ball of fun. So let's dive in. We've had it for about a month. Dark Horse Customs out west spent a lot of time and money and manpower completely converting this vehicle over to modern day specs. So it's got a Chevy small block V8. You can chirp these 33-inch BFG KO2s on there. All new suspension with Fox shocks. Thing handles amazing. And they didn't bother fixing the crappy paint job on it, which personally I love. I just like a beat up old truck. Kept the factory rims, even though they upgraded everything else, which again, it kind of leads into that rat rod feel that I love. Tow package on the back, still has the Montana plate on there. Beat up old bed, which is perfect for me. That roll bar is a lot of fun. It's got a couple slots for big old spotlights, which I think we're gonna be getting. New exhaust as well. On the interior of this truck, they didn't bother doing a big reupholstery job. Just kind of put a Southwest feel seat covers on, which are super comfy. They did go through all the electronics to make sure that everything on here works. So wipers work, lights work, brand new head unit and speakers. So again, all the stuff that you want kind of driving around day to day, this truck has. We just threw it into retail, so it is currently for sale. Any questions, give us a shout at 502-459-9900. We'll talk to you guys soon.